Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to sell your designs on Canva. So just head over to canva.com/contributors and then you should be able to see this. Click on the sign ups right here. But as you can see right now, sign up is actually temporarily available. But once you have signed up, you can head over and then upload your work right here. You can upload items individually or collection and then they will review them and get back to you within a few days. And then once someone actually uses your item, you will actually receive incentives. And that way you will start earning from them. So it actually put right here what you can sell. It can be photos, graphics, stickers, videos, and they also have in here some why should you contribute. It's fast, you can earn more, it's totally free, and you can actually establish a portfolio using Canva. So that's how you sell your designs on Canva. Hope we help.